more and more every single day.
It's happening because
the National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Southwestern Calcasieu Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Orange County, and southeastern Texas until 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over West Orange, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Toomey around 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Vinton around 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Edgerly around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Sulphur and Carlisle around 5:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. This includes the following highways: Interstate 10 in Texas between mile markers 880 and 879. Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 1 and 24. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Hear the money that